What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. Today what I'm gonna be doing is, well, I'm not gonna be doing it, but I called my boy Street Influence, that's his IG. He washes cars pretty damn good. Washed the NSX, first wash in like 3-4 years. He's been under the covers this whole time, but he has his rig, FJ Cruiser 4x4. Pretty sick setup. He takes it to La Wash every Friday. But it's filthy. Has all these watermarks. So first wash in 3-4 years. Not bad. Sick. What do you think, boomboxes are gonna come out better than factory?
Low key.
It's gonna come out looking like it's in the showroom floor in 91.
It's gonna look brand new. It's gonna look like the new NSX.
Damn.
Thanks to our sponsor of the day, Chemical Guys. It's gonna look pretty good.
Shout out to the sponsor, Street Influence, and the Chemical Guys for the products. That's all we use. That ass though. I don't know why, I find this very satisfying. Looking like a snack. Hell yeah. I think it looks pretty good in white. Looks like a fresh paint job. Not bad for not being washed in 3-4 years. I think he's done with it. Let's go check on the finished product. Much better. Just has a bunch of swirl marks, but I'll probably get that corrected later on. Just wanted to wash for now. T37s, nice and clean. Hell yeah. I gotta get the new sticker, but it's been stored for so long that I still have the 2017 one.
Still have the 2017 sticker?
Yeah.
Did you pay the tag?
It's a non-op. I put insurance on it, but it's a non-op. Much better.